So in this video, I'm going to break down how to get your first SolidWorks client in 2026. Now, before we start with this, if you want a SolidWorks career guide, this is my full blueprint. You can just click the link below. You can get it for free. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Alan, and over the last 5 years, I've helped over 50,000 students worldwide to master SolidWorks and start their careers when it comes to certifications, learning skills, and also getting jobs. No, the problem when it comes to getting a SolidWorks client, most people try these ways. They go on the Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer, they upload their portfolio, they apply for jobs, and they just get ignored. The problem why this fails is because you're competing with hundreds of people who have the same experience as you, right? So they don't trust you, you have no authority, and you can't really stand out, right? So you're just another profile. So instead of chasing job, you need to become visible because clients don't hire those ones that are the best. They hire those when they trust. And if they trust you, they're going to hire you. So what to do instead? Now, what I'm going to show you is not something theoretically that I'm just talking. That what I use and what I used before. And I didn't plan to get clients like that. It just happened. Okay. So number one is LinkedIn is your main asset. Okay. So treat LinkedIn as a business profile. Don't only create a fancy profile and put a photo and put your portfolio. No, you have to create a content. And with this content, you have to show what you do in SolidWorks, what designs you can create, how do you approach to design, how you solve design problems. You have to give short breakdowns. So this way, people who actually need help with SolidWorks, they're going to see you as an expert. They're going to see you as someone they can trust, they can rely on. And this way, you're going to start getting clients. But don't just rely on that and wait, especially if you're starting out. Okay, you have to also reach out to the companies directly. So message small manufacturing companies or startups, engineering companies. Check out what I do and see if you can help them in that area. So you can then send a message that's personalized. Hey, I notice you do X, I can help you with Y. Okay, so that's your number one asset, LinkedIn, and start using proactively. Number two, this is big authority asset, and this is more like a long-term leverage. YouTube. Create your YouTube profile. And also the same breakdowns you do on the LinkedIn, now you can do in the video. How you design parts, how you solve problems. Give people some insights, how you design certain models. Okay, so this way, some people that's gonna search how to do this, how to design X, how to design Y, they're gonna get to your videos. And this automatically builds also authority, builds trust, and you have also a lot of inbound leads. And when I say inbound leads, I mean people reach out to you. These can be individuals, these can be also companies. Using these two assets, I got a lot of clients, but they would either ask me to build something for them, to design something for them, or just to consult them, right? They just need an advice, they just need some idea how to solve some specific problem. And this one, third one, is super underrated. And this is your local advantage, right? Doesn't matter where you live. There are advertisement sites where you can create a profile and you can put an advertisement that you offering consulting, that you offering tutoring. I just put that I offer tutoring. And a lot of people, not only that want a tutoring in SolidWorks, but also they hire me as a freelancer or also for the consultings. And this is the easiest and the fastest money also you can get, right? It's very local. You don't compete with a lot of CAD designers because you work local. It's your own language, right? They trust you because you are close to them. And this is how you can get your first money, your first testimonials. This is super underrated. Also got a lot of clients from this. And then the fourth one, I didn't use that much. I made some sales here, some collaborations, and these are the platform for selling CAD models. This shouldn't be your main strategy, but you can use it, for example, like a GrabCAD. What you can do is your portfolio, you can upload there models that you do and so on. You can put some prices people can download, but also I got some invitations, for example, for collaborations, partnerships, and so on. I didn't use it that much at the beginning, yes, but also it's a good source to get some clients. It shouldn't be your main one, but also you can have it. So, big takeaways. Don't just rely on the platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and wait or apply there for a regular job that are posted. Like the chances you're going to get this job are very low, and you're going to have to work a lot on your portfolio, on your outreach to be different. Build your own assets like a LinkedIn. Show what you know, show your expertise. The same thing on the YouTube, also on the local advertisement sites. And then people are going to start reaching out to you. And also on the LinkedIn, you can reach out to the companies as well. Now, if you want the full, like I said, SolidWorks career guide, you can just click the link below. You can get it for absolutely free.